let's go over these sample problems. Now, fair warning, I apologize in advance. There's going to be quite a bit of writing here, so you're just going to have to suffer through it. Number 1, give 2 examples of an ionic compound. Give 2 examples. Now, there are a whole bunch of ionic compounds, so what I write here isn't necessarily going to be the only 2. There are so many. The only thing you have to make sure that whatever ions you pick, that they are equal in magnitude of the charges. Okay, they're equal and opposite in equal in magnitude, opposite in charge. Okay, equal in magnitude. So, for example, if I picked an easy one, sodium chloride, okay, those are each going to form magnitude 1 charge, positive 1, negative 1. That would be one of my samples. If I were going to pick ions that form different magnitude charges, for example, magnesium chloride, looking at the periodic table, I see that magnesium is going to form me a +2, and this chlorine is going to form a -1 chloride ion. So these are opposite charges, but not equal in magnitude. So in order for this to be a real ionic compound, I have to change the number of chlorines, or sorry to say chloride ions that I have present. So I'll just go MgCl2. And conceptually, you should be able to figure this out because magnesium is jettisoning 2 electrons. Okay, 2 electrons. Both of these electrons need to be picked up by something. If there's only 1 chlorine atom there, it can only accept 1 electron, right? Because it's already got 7 valence electrons. Each chlorine can only accept 1 electron. So in order to accept both of these electrons, you need a dose of them. So that's the concept behind this idea. But I'm just going to pick these 2 examples of sodium chloride and magnesium chloride.